Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Remitly for affiliate payments, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Remitly account. If you do not have an account, create one by visiting the Remitly website or downloading the app. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the option to withdraw funds. Choose the account from which you want to withdraw your affiliate payments. If it's your first withdrawal, you may need to link a bank account. Follow the prompts to add your bank details securely. Verify your bank account through the method required by Remitly. After linking your bank account, return to the withdrawal section. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the transaction details carefully. Confirm your withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation message once your request is submitted. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your withdrawal status. Remitly will notify you when your funds are transferred. Typically, withdrawals take a few business days to process. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Remitly's customer support for assistance. Be sure to check fees associated with your withdrawal as they may vary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.